Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we'll discuss examples on combinations with repetitions. In our last class, we clearly discussed the formula for combinations with repetitions. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, there are three boxes of identical red, blue and white balls. Means they are providing three types of balls: red color ball, white color ball and blue color ball. So number of ways to select 10 balls. Your selection is 10 balls. You have to select 10 balls such that the first condition is they are not imposing any condition, means no restriction. So you have to select 10 balls from out of these three options. How many ways? This is based on repetitions. You can select red balls 2 times. You can select red balls 10 times. So the formula which we discussed in our last class, similar example, using this similar example we discussed the formula. In our last class we discussed that there are three types of soda. 10 members are going to select the same way, the same example. Here x is equal to, number of selections is equal to 10. N is equal to 3 types of balls available. So what's the formula? X plus n minus 1 cx. This is the formula we are going to use for combinations with repetitions, selections with repetitions. So simply apply the formula. This is very simple example. The first one is 3 plus 10 minus 1 c10, which is 12c10. 12c10 means 12 factorial by 12 minus 10 factorial multiplied by 12 minus 10 means 2 factorial multiplied by 10 factorial. So this is what 12c10 means. Coming to the second one, the condition: select at least 1 red ball, 2 blue balls and 3 white balls. See, at least means minimum requirement. 1 red ball should be required, 2 blue balls and 3 white balls. This is the minimum requirements, means select them first. Red ball should be selected, 2 blue balls should be selected and 3 white balls should be selected. These are the minimum selection in all our cases. At least means select them. What are the remaining selections? You are having option to select remaining 4. 6 selections are guaranteed this. These are the guaranteed ones we needed. Remaining selections are 4 selections. So our x value is 4. At least here means the remaining 4 selections can be, you can take again red ball, you can take blue ball, you can take white ball. So our n value is 3. So total number of selections are 4. X plus n minus 1 cx. 4 plus 3 minus 1 c4, which is 6c4. This is the output for selecting at least 1 red ball, 2 blue balls and 3 white balls. Now coming to the exactly 1 red ball must be selected. Exactly means 1 red ball should be selected, not more than 1 red ball and not 0 red balls also. So 1 red ball should be selected. What are the remaining selections? This is compulsory. Red ball should be compulsory. Keep it aside. And what are the remaining selections? How many selections are there? 9 places, 9 selections are there. So out of these 9 selections, you can take blue balls and you can take white balls. You are not supposed to take red balls because our question is exactly 1 red ball. So our x value is, number of selections is 9, n value is 2 because you are not going to use red ball again. So that's why n value is equal to 2. X plus n minus 1 cx is our formula. 9 plus 2 minus 1 c9, which is 10c9. This is what the answer is. Now coming to the next one, next example, at most 1 white ball. At most 1 white ball means you are having 2 situations. 0 white balls, 1 white ball. So 0 white balls and second case is 1 white ball. So 0 white ball plus 1 white ball. This is one condition, this is another condition, another situation. either this situation or this situation. So we are going with plus. You try to do it. What is 0 white balls condition? What's the value of 0 white balls and what's the value of 1 white ball? So we are giving the output. The total output is total. You are going to get 21 selections. This is the answer. You try to do it. How you got this 21 selections? You apply this formula here in these two situations. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.